Hello, I'm Uche Ralph-Opara, and my leadership project is called Dreams to Reality, a program designed to help young women turn their aspirations into clear, actionable steps. So why this project? Dreams to Reality grew out of something I kept seeing repeatedly. Brilliant young women in Nigeria who want so much out of life, but don't have mentors, exposure, digital skills, or even a safe space to ask the questions that matter. Many were balancing school, chores, poor internet, financial pressure, and the real struggles of self-doubt. As a mother of three daughters and a global health leader, it was impossible to ignore. I wanted to build something simple but powerful, a space where young women could gain clarity, confidence, and practical tools to move one step closer to their dream. So who did we reach? We started with an outreach through community-based partners and enrolled 57 girls at the start. After assessments and screening, 25 were selected and 22 remained active throughout the program. Three dropped off due to competing priorities, which of course is expected for this age group. Every single girl attended at least one session, and 80% showed up for at least four of the six sessions we offered. We held four mentorship sessions, one each month, lasting an hour and a half. And we had two partner-led boot camps with Activate Hub and Tech for Dev. I'm truly thankful for these partners. The themes reflected exactly what the girls asked for: mental health, sexual and reproductive health, leadership, voice and confidence, digital literacy and safety, and life skills. So we had five mentors from health, tech, and the creative sector supporting the girls on their journey. Some early outcomes. I wanted this project to do more than inspire. It needed to unlock real opportunities, and we saw that happen. Three girls received scholarships to study product design and UI UX at Knit Hub in Lagos. 13 were trained at Activate Hub's no Code School. Two girls are currently in the process of securing paid internships, an incredible milestone for many of them. But honestly, the most important shift wasn't the numbers. It was hearing the girls say, now I know where to start, or watching someone who barely spoke at the first mentorship session open up in the last. Our needs assessment gave us critical insight into their lived realities. Top barriers included financial strain, limited digital access, procrastination, imposter syndrome, and some delays in getting into school. Success for them looked like gaining digital skills, clarity about their next steps, opportunities for internships, and very importantly, feeling supported and believed in. The WhatsApp group quickly became a safe space, from conversations about mental health to questions about school choices. Working with the girls stretched me in ways I didn't expect. It pushed me to lead more openly, sharing my own detours and doubts, not just the polished parts, which everyone sees. It also made me listen differently, co-designing with the girls and adjusting to what they said they needed changed how I showed up as a leader. It also strengthened my strategic muscle, building partnerships, finding resources to provide them laptops, transportation, and also making sure opportunities were actually accessible to them. So as we look to 2026, I plan to expand the cohort, deepen partnerships, and continue mobilizing resources to support more training and educational pathways. We may extend to an additional state or even just saturate Lagos and Anambra. But I think the heart of this project just stays the same, helping young women build the confidence, clarity, and skills they need to step into their potential fully. I'll end this by saying when we invest in girls, even in small, consistent ways, the ripple effects are extraordinary. Their dreams stop being distant wishes and start becoming real plans. Thank you.